Timberjack out. Push that log loader, or Dad started it and left it in gear, and lock starter up in it. So we just jump started it. So I'm just trying to move this whole thing out of the way. Can't see hardly anything out of these damn cabs. Plexiglass. There he comes. This is an old, what's he doing? Oh, maybe he's just trying to get the air built up. The old 210 Prentice. Oh, I don't know what he's doing. The old 210 Prentice is on a, I guess it's 78 Kenworth. I bought it when I worked at the mill. An old, got a 300 Cummins in it. She's an old thing. Hey, buddy! Not sure what he's doing. But yeah. Oh yeah, let's get the air built up. This here's an old Eagle Dad bought brand new in '89. Got a 444 Cummins in it. Those are the original kilometers, 265,000. It never ever went very far. Yeah, I remember the day he bought it new. Don't use it much anymore. Don't cut any wood or anything. So always gonna buy a float for it, like a attachable or something. Run it, but yeah, old Eagle. There she is there. Yeah, well, 300 Cummins. They had tenders on that at the mill. And can't remember. I think I bought it for like $1,700 or something. Great old loader truck. Kind of a shame, really. The old truck was actually really good shape. It just was a shunt truck. So. Oh, I got some barns I want to move, take down. People that I bought, so I'm going to use that loader to move them. Well, I got some tires I got to fix on that and get some max cans on it. I'm laughing. Yeah, poor old thing. But he's a weapon. It always worked good. There's a little 10-speed in it. Yeah. And this here's an old 9030 case, got a Cummins in it. I bought a brand new bucket for it. This is actually Dad's machine, but I bought a new bucket for it. And got a root rake for it. Just, you know, never get around to putting the root rake on it. So this year here, actually, I'm going to clear a bunch of ground down the bottom of the hill here. This here place. So I'm going to put the rake on this, and then I'll have the rake on my dozer. And should be able to clear some ground with two machines. So yeah, got an ultimate head on it. But good old machine, works good. But anyhow, we took the AGCO out for a drive and thought we'd come down and visit Mom and Dad. So we'll talk at you later.